passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times.
What do we got waiting for us today? Let's see. All right. Yeah, we got some fun stuff yesterday. Today we're gonna try out a new camera. Let's see if I can get up here. Ultra HD 4K. Yeah. You won't miss a detail with that. It's waterproof. That's important when you're videotaping in your garage. That's a must-have. Got a touch screen, so I'll be able to get my greasy fingerprints all over that. Hey, look at this. I'm trying to get this where you can see it. All the stuff I'm going to be able to do with this camera. I'll be able to do something with a skateboard with no wheels on it, and parachute, and jet ski. I always wanted to do that. And then I guess you'll turn into a frog eventually. Okay, well that's good. Everything except that last one I'm pretty impressed with. So we'll see what it looks like. Okay, what we want to try to do today, I'm going to try to mount this steering column. And I've got this, which I have to drill 2 holes in, and it's a wedge. And it brings the steering column down. The wheel will be lower than the original, so that my seats can be lower. And it goes on. Let's see. This goes under the frame here. So this goes like this. And that brings it down. So let's find some bolts and drill some holes. Okay, I found some bolts that are a little bit longer because the stock bolts won't have enough length to them. This one's just slightly bigger around, so I'm going to just ream those holes out just a little bit. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. Brute force overcomes technique. Okay. Here's the wedge that lowers the steering wheel height. And we need to drill a couple of holes in that. And that should give it a serious wedgie. That's what we were looking for.
Folks who have been out on the streets as activists, as you mentioned, the activists, the young activists of today, as well as we also hear of those activists as well as family members who have talked personally about.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
A man. We read.
Now I'll have to open up the holes in the frame now. Except these larger bolts. I may have to do a little something there to make sure. You know what? I think I got it on upside down. That could never happen, could it? Oh!
Even though he was being admitted to the hospital earlier this spring, he wanted to go see Black Lives Matter himself and touch hands with the.
I think that's right. I don't know.
That he had.
It's under the car. Nobody will know.
1961.
All right, let's give this a try. Stupid thing. This is spellbinding, isn't it? Yes, spellbinding. Yeah. Looks good. Yeah. It's just what we were waiting for. I'll have to find the keyway for that. I'm sure it's in the garage somewhere. Cross thread. What are these cross threads? Can't be me. Put some grease in there. This thing's more like working on a locomotive than a car. Stop every 100 miles, grease it. Kind of fun. Makes it fun. Something goes in there and I can't remember what it is. I guess I'll find out later. Let's see how it turns. Oh yeah, like butter. Just like butter. Okay, quickly, my battery's dying. We made significant progress today. And I broke a minimal amount of parts. We got that down in there. Got it greased. Yep. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Here's a bird's eye view. This is what she's gonna look like. Yeah. I can picture it in my mind now, Clark. But the little lights aren't twinkling. Yeah. Now tomorrow, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. What I wanted to show you was, there we go. This compensates for lowering the steering wheel, this casting. And firewall will go, up against that, or maybe it goes like that. I'm not sure. But we'll figure it out. Anyways, because down here is where we put that wedge. See that? Yeah, we got some good voltage is very good on this. Very good voltage. And yeah, pretty happy today. Got to start working on this engine. Got to have this running by the end of growing season here in Iowa before it gets 40 below zero. I'm already looking forward to that 1.7 days that we get to have the heat off and the AC off. It's like, it happens in October on like a Friday afternoon. And then, shut the AC off, turn on the heat. That's how it works. Okay, blah, blah, blah. See you tomorrow.